Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your INFINIX Smart 7. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm also using the Easy Fax, so we can launch it now. Add the permissions to camera and to the files. There is a place where you can get your free credits. If you want to add the document, click on the plus and choose source of your document. Sorry, I have to pick the photo now. Okay, now you can add this shape to the document. And click on the arrow. Now choose the folder for photo to make it more visible for the receiver. And if you are ready, click accept icon. Now you can enter the number in this place and choose the country from the list. Then just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button to send it. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.